First tonight at 6, ABC15 broke the story that's now getting international attention. Chief Investigator Dave Biscobing obtaining video showing police pulling off a woman's hijab at the protests at ASU over the war in Gaza. Legal experts say the officers' actions raise serious constitutional concerns. And tonight, Dave's back.
Yeah, he just interviewed the woman in that video and spoke to 3 others who say the same thing happened to them.
What are you doing?
This video was recorded after the first day of protests. A Muslim woman handcuffed as officers pull off her hijab.
No, we're recording you taking off her scarf.
There were several people in the background.
You're violating her privacy.
Yelling at the officers to stop.
I did ask multiple times and please multiple times not to take it off, but they were like, no, it has to go.
We just interviewed that woman over a Zoom call.
Do you think that they understood the significance of what they were doing at all?
Yes, and you can see in the video how one of the officers, after that they realized what they're doing is wrong, he just tried to cover from the other girls to film me, and he stood between the camera and me.
At her request, because of safety concerns, we agreed not to share her name. And we also agreed to use video with her face blurred.
They're like taking part of who I am, part of my religion, part of me, part of my beliefs. They're taking it off of me. They're like stripping part of me off.
We also interviewed 3 other women who say their hijabs were also removed the same night. We don't have video for those women, but here's some of what they told us.
I told them, I pleaded, I said, please do not remove it. I can't take this off, please. They said, well, you're being arrested. You should have thought about that before. If someone's begging you for something, they're vulnerable, they're traumatized, they're handcuffed, they're chained, and you do that, there's no way you can plead ignorance.
Did you ask them not to? Did they give you any warning?
Many times. We begged. We literally begged over and over.
It was a trauma that's going to stay with me forever. It's the equivalent of stripping your clothes off. You know, they stripped me of my humanity, violating not only my rights, but also my dignity by taking my hijab. 3
of the 4 women are students at ASU, and their attorney told ABC15 all 4 were charged with trespassing. That's a Class 3 misdemeanor, the lowest crime that exists in Arizona. And here's what their attorney told ABC15.
ASU Police Department has the option to cite and release. They could have cited and released. They chose to book all of these people. Why? I think it's disgusting, and I think that they did it to retaliate.
In other places and in similar situations, there have been several large settlements because police pulled off women's hijabs in violation of their religious rights.
You're violating her privacy.
And back here, the women say they're now weighing their legal options.
With sharing my story is to bring the ones that responsible on that to justice, and to protect all other Muslim women from such a dehumanizing experience.
I'm investigator Dave Biscobing, ABC15, Arizona.
Dave, thank you. And this video is drawing criticism from several civil rights groups. The ACLU of Arizona posted this statement online saying, quote, this video showing police forcibly removing a woman's religious dress is outrageous. Law enforcement must respect the religious freedom rights of everyone protesting in Arizona.